Hi, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchen, etc. And I'm really excited to show you our latest bathroom remodel. I want to start off by saying that this came together so well. I love the way that the colors complement each other. You know, in design, you can either coordinate or you can contrast. And in this bathroom, I think we did a really good job coordinating and contrasting all the different materials that we used in the space. So let me show you around. So let me start off with the cabinetry. These are real wood cabinets. These are alder wood, and it's got a cinnamon color finish on it. These are raised panel doors, and we actually did drawer fronts to match as well. These are the same design detail that the doors have. Then we put some brushed nickel hardware on there. We have a countertop with Taj Mahal quartzite. Now, quartzite is a little bit different than granite. Quartzite it's a natural stone, unlike quartz, which is man-made. Quartzite is stronger than granite, but it is still porous, and so will have to be sealed. Depending on how you take care of it, you know, I've seen sealers last 7 years, 10 years, just as long as you don't put any acids or bases on them, you know, no Windexes, no bleach products, things like that. You know, if you clean them with a pH balanced cleaner, something that's meant for natural stone, then the sealer will last a long, long time. We have a 4-inch backsplash for this design, and we also have the square undermount sinks, along with these Moen fixtures that are in brushed nickel finish. We did some mirrors that have a 1.5-inch beveled frame around them, but we didn't do any other framing around the mirrors. We wanted to keep it a little more clean, a little more open. And then we have our nice big shower here, which we tiled all the way to the ceiling. This is in a 12 by 24 porcelain tile. It's a type of material that looks like vein cut travertine, which is pretty popular. It's got really nice color tones to it. It's got some beiges and some grays. What's nice, like if you look at this Taj Mahal quartzite, it has some browns in it, and so that browns picks up the cabinets because the cabinets had that cinnamon color is like a brown. And then in the wall tile, it's a little lighter. It's like a beige color with some grays in it. And then the grays tie into the countertop. And then the brushed nickel hardware that we have on the cabinetry is you know, obviously brushed nickel's kind of like a silvery color, which can look a little gray. So that all ties in together. For the shower fixtures, we went with matching Moen faucets here that match the countertops. This series is called Voss, and it is in a brushed nickel. This is a thermostatic valve here. So this turns the water on and off, and it also adjusts the temperature. What makes this one a little bit different, a little more upgraded, is it's got this fixture here, which is a transfer valve. So that's what transfers the water from this rain shower head here over to the hand shower, and then you can transfer back. So for our hand shower here, we have a multi-function spray head. So you got this one here, which is your normal one. You got your center spray, which is a longer, more powerful spray. You got your in between two. It's kind of a pulsating one, plus it has the outside sprayer head on it. And then you have your center spray function there, which is just a full pulsating one. So again, for like massages and things like that. I also like it to hose down the shower. Okay, and again, this is adjustable. This right here can adjust up and down, which is very nice. And then this also angles down, so you can use it as a regular shower head. Every job, no matter what, is going to have its custom components and things that change during the process. So one thing was we originally had a remnant piece for this countertop so that we didn't have to buy a really expensive piece of stone. But what ended up happening is we had an opportunity that came up for me to get a discount on the stone, so I jumped at it. I got the stone for a really good price, and so I was able to get a whole slab, so we had extra. So now, instead of having the tile for the shower bench, we decided to make a change during the construction process and put the matching countertop on the shower seat. And as you can see here, it's extra detail work for the glass enclosure guy, which he did a magnificent job on the cut. And I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Something I would like to stress when you are redesigning your shower and you want to go with a frameless shower enclosure, they're not waterproof. There's gaps all around them because they don't have the frame structure here on the dam or on the side walls where glass panels either slide into or stop on. It's just all open here. So we put these splash guards on here to take care of them. If you have a shower head that's close like this, there will be a little bit of water that come out of here, out of the door area and out of the corner there. So you just want to be mindful of that when you're designing it. If you can get the shower head farther away from the door area, that's a good idea. Also making sure that the slope is done correctly on your shower dam, and then having tile on the outside of your shower floor or some kind of a waterproof material, like you can use a waterproof laminate. Inside the shower floor, we have a 2x2 porcelain mosaic tile that is the same series as the wall tile. We added 2 grab bars on this build. One is a 12-inch short grab bar right as you walk in, so you can grab it, this way as you step in the shower, step over the curb. And then we have another one on the back wall. And our second grab bar is over here to help you get up out of the seat and sit back down in the seat. Now, when you're doing grab bars, remember that you need some backing here behind the grab bars. Don't just drill through the tile. You want to make sure you get through the tile, through the mortar, and all the way through the wood. So we put 2x6 wood backing here in all the places that we know we're gonna put the grab bars. So a little bit of planning needs to go into that before you start tiling. We designed 2 soap niches in this shower. So these are 14 inches tall. Soap niches, you can pretty much make any height you want. Width ends up getting a little bit trickier, especially if it's on an exterior wall. You're not gonna be able to do much with that. But for the most part, if you just design within a stud bay, then you can go vertically as tall as you want. And finally the floors, which is the same 12x24 porcelain tile. It's a matte finish tile that looks like a vein cut travertine, set in the same direction as the back wall. This is a 1/3 staggered joint. As you can see, each one of these tiles, they move over 1/3. And that wraps up our tour of our latest bathroom rebuild. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. So everything just comes together really, really nice. I don't like that. Comes together really nice. I don't want to say that. So everything came together very well, and we're really happy with the results. No, I don't want to say that either. I don't know how to end that. What was I saying? These bigger drawers are nice for hair dryers. No, we don't want to do that. Okay. We're still failing on the what's in that drawer. I don't think it works for bathrooms. I'm just saying. And I am sure it's Voss now, so you can use that. This hand shower here. Okay, well, what am I doing here? It's supposed to. What's happening right now? Am I going too fast? There you go. Going too fast. All right, so. For the shower seat, we did something pretty cool. So we had, okay, not so. For the shower seat, we did something a little custom. Do I want to say that? Yeah. We have a larger one. This one is, I believe, 15 inches. What is this one? 14 inches. So these are 14 inches tall, and you can see that 14 inches gives you plenty of room to pump your giant products. Look at this thing. This thing you know came from Costco, probably on a pallet. And then you have our smaller one down here for either soap or, you know, washcloths. You know, you can get creative. Or in this case, it's going to be stucco, which is going to be that one's I definitely wouldn't advise to do that. If you have to have like as many different cubbies, if you want to call them, or niches as they are called, it might be a little bit wonky, but I think it looks better.